Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to sell on Shopify, and I will tell you how to do that exactly in only a few steps. And step 1 is create an account. Selling on Shopify is very easy and straightforward. You just have to start creating an account and get a free trial. The free trial lasts for 3 days. And I highly recommend this because although Shopify is only $24 a month for the basic plan, it's nice to be able to check out and make sure that this is going to be the right platform for you. And this is a very important step before spending this $24 a month. And now let's jump into step 2. Choose a theme. On Shopify, they offer a ton of different themes that can be free, and some of them also are paid. I would recommend doing the free one, but you should pick one that fits your store vibe, something that really stands out to you, and you are going to choose this as your overall theme for your shop. Once you find one that you like, go ahead and customize it as you want, because this is going to be the theme of your store, and you can transfer themes later. Step 3, uploading products. Actually, this is the most interesting step. You will start adding products to your shop. Just get the pictures of the products, upload them. Then you can simply write a description below each product, add the prices. You can also categorize your products if you have more than one category. So you will find it very, very interesting to do such a step. Step 4, choosing your shipping method. Choosing your shipping method and setting up your payments, this is not actually so fun as step 3, but this is one of the most important steps because this is how customers are going to get their products, this is how you are going to ship, and this is how you are going to collect payments. So basically the basis of what you need to run a business. So although this isn't as fun as designing your store, this is a necessity. There will be more information about shipping and payment options. Try to do your own research on which payment method is better and how would you like to ship your products, which shipping company you are going to deal with. So this is an important step. Try to focus while doing it, and I advise you also to prepare for this step before even making the account. So try to see first the payment methods and the shipping methods, then after that, after you choose the most suitable option for you, you can simply go ahead and create a Shopify account, then get your free trial and try to do all these stuff once, because the free trial only lasts for 3 days, so you have to be quick. Step 5, place a test order. Now you have to mimic the purchase process of the client and deal as you are the client. You should now play the role of the customer. So what you should do right now is to try to place a test order. So go to your shop, place an order, see how things are going to be, what it looks like on a customer's end. When they have purchased something, this is going to show you that everything on your customer's end is showing up, because it might look good for you on your end of Shopify, but something might be hosted on their end. And you want to make sure that it's totally, but I advise you to choose a suitable one from the first time. Your Shopify store. So after you do your test sale and everything looks perfect, shipping looks great, and your payments went through. So once everything looks great, you are now ready to set your own shop live, and this is the most exciting part. So with one click of a button, you can make your store live to the internet, and actually it's so fun. And another feature that, because Shopify is a very popular website, you will find a lot of tutorials about it. You can discover new things, new features, how can you grow your business, and you can also link some of your accounts with your Shopify, and many unlimited features that you will find. You just need to stick with commitment and try more and more to find and do your research in order to get better and better. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, and share, and see you in a new video.